In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a schedule and with varying staffing levels depending on the needs of your company. This schedule is for November 1st. Now, you have pretty normal staffing levels for this area. And so this is a schedule worked on based on Monday to Friday. And they have 3 shifts, the shifts being morning, evening, and night. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click on Run the Schedule. And so for normal staffing levels, I think I'm going to need, let's say, 3 for day, 2 for evening, and possibly 2 for night. And so what I'm going to do is press the button Create Schedule. And there you have our staffing has been put in here. And so now, this schedule is based on a 4-week period. And so the next Monday is going to be the 29th. And so I'm going to change, I'm going to clear this and I'm going to change the date to November 29th here. And then what I'm going to do is run the schedule again. Now, in the holiday season, depending what type of a business you are, you need a lot more staff. So let's run this, and let's say we're going to need 6 during the day, 4 during the evening, and 3 during the night. Okay, so now you click Run or Create Schedule, and there you have all of your people put in according to what you have specified. So let me show you how I did this. So what I did is I created a little user form, and the fields are named, this one that's next to the text day, I have named it day. The field that's next to the evening, I've named eve. And the the field that's next to the night, I've named night. Okay, so now if I double click my Create Schedule, you can see the code. And so what I've done here is I've declared values. I've declared Monday as long, RDEN as long, day number as long, evening number as long, and night number as long. So we're on row 5. So that's where the staffing starts, is on row 5 here. Okay, so now what we're doing first of all is we're going to find out where the Monday is. Now I changed the start date for December for November 29th just because I knew that the Monday was there, and it was starting with a Monday, but you could start it any day. And what it does is it looks for the first Monday on the schedule and then creates the schedule from there. So how it's looking is it's going on the C2. So in this blacked out region, I have on the formula, I have weekday of C1 or weekday of E4, which is the date here. And so what it's doing is telling me what the weekday is. So Saturday is a 7 and Sunday is a 1. And so what it's doing is it's looking for the cell value equals 2, then that will be a Monday. So what it's doing is it's looking for a Monday in the columns and deciding which one is Monday. Now, what I've done here is that day is from the text box D is the day text. Now the day number is the day plus the 4 rows above it. And now the evening number, the evening is the evening from the text box, and evening number is the day number plus evening, day number plus evening. Night is the night from the text box, and night number is evening plus day. And so for each of the different shifts, what it's done is it's first of all, it's going and looking for the Monday. It's going for we're going for row R equals 5 to day number, and we're going, it's looking for the Monday, and then it's doing a count because we want to do this for 4 weeks. and it says range active cell offset value equals day. So it's creating a range of D in your schedule there. And then it's offsetting by 7 and selecting it, and then it's going for the loop again. So it does this for each of these, for each of the day number, the evening number, and the night number. And that's how you create the schedule that you can vary all the time. I will, of course, include the code for the button on the user form in my video. Please subscribe.